Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the all-new 2021 Kia K5 GT line. I absolutely love this car, especially in this spec. This spec is what I consider my dream spec. Wolf gray over red. Look at that. Absolutely awesome. Total price of $26,955. Take a look at that 1.6 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder. This being the GT line. This doesn't have the almost 300 horsepower turbo 4, but you know what? It still is absolutely awesome. You can see your turbo tucked way back there. Air intake. And you can open up airbox right there. Turn that. Turn that. Ta-da! There's your air filter. Easy as that. Thought that was a pretty neat feature. This rides on Pirelli P0 all-season tires, which is a pretty good tire choice for this car. Just look at that. I sit closer to the wheel, so this isn't indicative of, you know, somebody who drives way out, but look at that. Tons of room back here. One of you is gonna get. Oh. Yeah, everybody loves that sound. I'll put that in the cup holder. Stay. Getting in and out, nice and easy. For 26 grand, guys, you cannot go wrong. That one means they wouldn't have done there we go. Go ahead, pop it over into sport. Super nimble, really fun to drive. I think on higher trim levels you can get a sunroof if you so desire. does have steering assist, so you can see I'm not steering the car right now. It's steering itself. Pretty cool. I do prefer to drive myself, but you know, if you have to reach down into the center console or whatnot, and you'd rather the car take over steering for a minute, it is there. Do believe it only works over, I think, like 45 or 40. And of course the lane markers do have to be there in order for it to work. It's not gonna sense a non-marked road. It's working under 30. So maybe it's just it has to be clearly defined lines. I don't think it's really designed for turns. I think it's more on the highway as like an extended lane keep assist. Yeah, because once it starts getting too sharp, it won't turn you like, you know, Tesla autopilot will. But hey, for under 30 grand to have that in a car, I'll take it. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.